Hi guys, this is lesson 18. Today we are going to learn three initials, Z, C, and S. For all of these three pronunciation, you have to bring the tip of your tongue to your front teeth and bring the airflow pass through the crack between your tongue and your teeth. So try the first one. Z, Z. So you feel the tip of your tongue go a little bit up toward your teeth. Z. And the pronunciation is similar like English word zu, z, z, z. Next one is almost the same, but the air flows a little bit stronger than z. We say c, c. There's no pronunciation in English could match to this word, and I know there's many foreigners couldn't pronounce this. So please practice a little more in front of your mirror. Bring the tip of your tongue toward your front teeth, the top teeth. Let the air flow pass through your tongue and the small crack between your two teeth. Say, c, c. Okay, next one is s. It's the same position almost. S. And the pronunciation is similar to C. S. For these three initials, it can combine with A, E, U, I, Ao, An, O, On, On, but cannot combine with the bottom ones. There is an exception, that is the combination of Z and A second tone. Z, A, Z, and this word means a sieve. Here I pick up several important words for you to learn. First one, if you remember this little puppy, we learned Li previous time, means inside. Actually, when you combine these two together, still it means yin. Okay? So the way it's pronounced is zi, I, zai, first tone, means in, at some place, or at somewhere. Next one we learn zi, ao, zao, third tone, means early or morning. So we say, usually when you see each other on the street, you want to say 早 means good morning, or you say 早上好, good morning, or early. And you will figure out on the top is something we have learned. It's 日, right? Means the sun. So a sun on a top of a cross means morning. Let's see how we write. We know how to write 日, right? It starts from this vertical stretch, then this one, horizontal one, the last one close. This is the 日 we learned previously. The next one is the cross. We start with the horizontal and then vertical stretch. 早. Next one is walk, or left, leave, go. 之偶走 with third tone. You see, actually, it's a human. We learned in last time is walking. So later, when you learn new characters, you will see sometimes this sign on the left side or on the right. It means a word related to walking. 走. Next one is a combination of c and a, first tone. 吃啊擦，吃啊擦 Remember, bring the tip of your tongue toward your front teeth. Let the air flow through it. 擦, it means wipe, clean, or rub. For example, you wipe a table or wipe the floor. And if you pay attention on the structure of this character, you see this sign. It means hand. We learned several of these kind of characters with this part. They are all related to your hand. Next one is a combination of 吃 and I, first tongue. 吃爱菜. It means dishes, vegetables. So when you combine this one with 饭, it means the dishes. 菜, 吃爱菜. Remember, bring the tip of your tongue to your front teeth. Let the airflow pass through the crack between your tongue and teeth. 菜饭. Next one is a complicated character. The meaning is hide. When you do hide and seek. This is 藏, 吃昂藏, second tongue. 藏, you hide something. Hide to somebody. 藏. The next one is two numbers. Combination of 思 and 安, first tongue. 思安三 means 3. We see it's a 3 stretch. So it's easy to write, right? 1, 2, 3. You absolutely learn from this lesson. Next number is 4. 思 and 一, first tongue. 四 四. The way it's written is last one. This is also simple. We learned previously 7, 8, and 2. Now we learn 3 and 4. Alright, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I will highly appreciate if you subscribe my channel and introduce it to your friend. Thank you.